In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on a Subaru Crosstrek. This is located behind the glove box in the dashboard. Let's get started. We'll open our glove box. We'll release the strut. Next, we're going to press in on either side of the glove box. And we can drop that down. These inner tabs just pull right off. We can set the glove box off to the side and gain access to our cabin air filter. We're going to pinch in on either of these tabs, both at the same time, and we can pull our cabin filter out. Be cautious as you pull this out not to drop any of the debris. You don't want to tip it to either side and have to vacuum out your car. Make sure you check for any debris. Clean it out. You might need to use a vacuum. We can install our new cabin air filter. Pay attention, there is an arrow pointing up. Simply push in. Make sure you hear the click and that it's seated all the way in. To reinstall our glove box, we're going to slide these over the tabs. We're going to push the glove box in. Hear the snap. We can put the strut back on its clip. Make sure you place anything you remove from the glove box back inside, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.